Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, and in this video we will be learning about how to do some simple Python animation using turtle programming. So in this video we are going to simulate this turtle programming. So let's see how to do it. So for that we need to import some libraries. So import turtle, and then we can import numpy. And after that we create an object, so call it object equal to turtle dot turtle. So it will create an turtle object. Now you can give the turtle object as a speed, so object dot speed, or you can give the maximum speed 0. After that you can keep some width to that turtle, so object dot width and give it 5. You can give number, and you can also give the object shape, so it can be a star, it can be turtle. So in case it is my case, it is like turtle. Now you want to create this animation, so you have to go like in the loop. Okay, so for that define x equal to np dot linspace 1 to 1000 to 1000. Now create a loop, so for I in range, and then give length of x, and now give the function as object dot paint color. I mean, like you want to show it a different color, so you can define your color equal to, so define colors equal to, give it as an array, so you can call it like red, then you can call it black, then give uh, yellow, yellow. After that you can give orange, or you can give green, and then finally you can give a cyan color. So this color we got. Now you want to give paint color, I means that every time it goes in loop it changes its color. So for that object dot paint color, and you want that colors to be repeat, so colors, and then give I percentage 6, so that it will repeat, it will repeat from where it ends. So after that you want to move your object forward, so give you want to move 1, and then you want to move object to right at an angle of say 7.5 degree. Now you want to create circle, so object dot circle, and give it like I by 10. So for every I, the radius get divided by 10. Now you want to move forward, so forward and give it like again I by 10. So we have got a simple code to simulate this animation. Now we can run it. So this is my, let me zoom it so that you can see the code. So here is my code. can see once again. I've given like a object, a speed, width, its shape, given a array of color, and then pen color. We have uh, move object as a forward one pixel, and then uh, it will take turn at 7.5 degree. Then it will get circle, and then again it will move forward. So now run the program and check the output. So here is my output. You can see that it is moving nicely, and it is getting some animation with this structure, and see how beautiful it is. So let it complete this window, and then we will close it. So see, this is like only 4 or 5 lines of code, and you can like create some beautiful animation with this few lines of code. So turtle animation is like a very good for like beginners. You can also create so many things using that. See how nicely it is creating. So now I'm closing it.